Big news is breaking in the tech world. Apple is working on something massive for the future. The company is preparing a special smartphone to mark a huge milestone. This device will celebrate the 20th anniversary of the original iPhone. Fans have been waiting for a complete design revolution for years. Now, it looks like that revolution is finally happening. However, the path to this futuristic device has not been easy. Recent reports created a lot of confusion among tech enthusiasts. Some people believed the project was dead before it even started. It all began with a shockwave of rumors. A financial analyst from a major firm dropped a massive bombshell. The analyst claimed that Apple had completely killed its ambitious project. According to those initial reports, the dream of a total visual redesign was over. The issue was not a lack of interest or money. The problem was pure physics and manufacturing limits. Apple wanted to create a phone made entirely out of glass. The vision was to eliminate metal completely from the outside shell. However, building an all-glass body for mass production turned out to be a total nightmare. The report suggested that the glass-only body kept failing durability tests. Glass breaks easily when dropped on hard surfaces. A phone made purely of glass would shatter into pieces very quickly. Manufacturing millions of these fragile shells was simply impossible for Apple's supply chain partners. Yield rates were far too low, which meant enormous costs and endless delays. Because of these huge roadblocks, the analyst claimed Apple threw in the towel. Tech outlets quickly picked up the news. Headline after headline declared that the dream anniversary iPhone was officially dead. Fortunately for Apple fans, that was not the whole story. Shortly after the cancellation rumors went viral, a top industry insider stepped in. Mark Gurman, a well-known tech reporter, quickly corrected the record. He clarified that the project was definitely not cancelled. Apple is still actively working on this groundbreaking device. The launch target remains set for the year 2027. Gurman explained that people misunderstood the internal changes happening inside Apple. The project was not killed, it was simply redirected. The confusion likely came from an early internal experiment. Tech companies build many wild prototypes during the development phase. Apple did create an aspirational prototype made entirely out of glass. That early model was designed to push boundaries and test limits. As expected, that extreme version failed mass production tests. It was far too fragile for everyday use. Apple engineers realized they could not build that exact version for millions of customers. So, they canceled that specific prototype. But canceling a single-week prototype does not mean canceling the entire product line. Instead of giving up on the vision, Apple went back to the drawing board. The design team decided to rework the core engineering. They kept the futuristic aesthetic while making the structure much stronger. The new solution is very practical. It gives users the incredible look of a continuous sheet of glass without making the phone fragile. Apple decided not to throw out metal completely. Instead, they decided to hide it strategically. The current internal design uses a very clever hybrid construction. Apple is working on a high-strength metal frame for the core skeleton. This metal frame sits inside the phone, sandwiched carefully between front and back glass panels. The glass panels curve elegantly over the edges to meet the frame seamlessly. From the outside, your eyes only see smooth, continuous glass. You will barely notice the metal skeleton hiding underneath. This design gives the device incredible structural integrity. It can survive drops and everyday stress just like a modern phone. Yet visually, it satisfies the ultimate goal of an all-glass device. This design brings Apple closer than ever to a legendary dream. For over a decade, former design chief Johnny Ive talked about his ultimate vision for the iPhone. He always wanted to create a phone that felt like a single, uninterrupted sheet of glass. He wanted a device without seams, visible screws, or thick metal borders. Every major redesign over the last 10 years was a small step toward that grand vision. Now, the 2027 anniversary model might finally fulfill that vision completely. However, building a glass-heavy body shell is only half of the battle. An even bigger engineering challenge lies underneath that outer glass layer. That challenge involves the display itself. Apple wants this anniversary phone to have a truly borderless screen. They want the black bezels around the display to become completely invisible. Achieving a screen with zero bezels has been the ultimate holy grail for the smartphone industry. Many companies have tried to achieve this look in the past, but most of them failed to make it practical. In the past, Android manufacturers tried to solve this by using curved display panels. They physically bent the sides of the OLED screen around the edges of the phone. While this looked cool in photos, it created major real-world problems. Physical curved displays are extremely fragile. Dropping a phone with curved side glass almost always breaks the screen immediately. Curved screens are also very expensive to replace and hard to produce in high numbers. Worse yet, physical curved displays create terrible user experiences. Light reflects awkwardly off the bent edges, causing distracting visual distortion. Images look warped when you watch videos or view photos. Even worse, curved screens lead to constant accidental touches. When you hold the phone normally, the skin of your palm touches the bent display edge. The phone registers those accidental touches, opening random apps or freezing up your typing. Because of these annoying issues, flat displays made a huge comeback in recent years. Users realized that flat screens are simply better for daily tasks. Apple knew it could not rely on old curved display tech for its anniversary flagship. They could not give users an annoying screen just to make the phone look futuristic. So, Apple engineers decided to take a completely different, revolutionary route. Prominent tech leaker Ice Universe recently revealed how Apple plans to pull off this impossible trick. Instead of bending the fragile OLED panel, Apple will keep the actual display panel completely flat. Yes, the underlying screen itself will remain a standard, flat OLED panel. The magic happens entirely above the display. Apple is designing a specialized, highly engineered quad-curved cover glass. This top glass layer curves smoothly on all four sides. But it is not just standard clear glass. It features complex optical structures engineered directly into the material. The glass acts like a set of tiny precise lenses working together. When light leaves the flat OLED display underneath, it passes through this custom cover glass. As the light hits the curved outer edges, the glass refracts and redirects the light rays. This optical bend bends the image visually toward the outer edges of the device. From the outside, your eyes see the picture stretching all the way to the very edge of the frame. The thick black borders of the screen completely vanish under this optical illusion. This specific trick changes everything. The actual display panel stays safe, flat, and durable underneath. Yet, to the human eye, the phone looks like a continuous, borderless piece of floating glass. Apple is using physics and light manipulation to solve a problem that physical bending could never solve cleanly. This distinction is perhaps the single most important innovation behind the 2027 anniversary iPhone. By keeping the OLED panel completely flat, Apple also eliminates the nightmare of accidental edge touches. Since the actual touch sensors stay on the flat surface, your palm resting against the curved cover glass will not trigger unwanted taps. You get the incredible futuristic look of a fully borderless phone without any of the daily operational headaches. You get total visual perfection mixed with practical everyday usability. Apple clearly hasn't abandoned its ambitious goals. They simply realized that brute force engineering was the wrong path. Instead of forcing fragile materials to do things they cannot handle, Apple found a much smarter way to achieve the same result. The 2027 anniversary iPhone is shaping up to be a masterclass in modern hardware design. It combines a hidden metal skeleton, curved protective glass, and advanced optical trickery into one seamless package.